Infrastructure industry plays a major role in developing an economy of a nation. The rapid growth of Indian economy has created demand for additional capacity of rail freight transportation, and this is likely to grow further in the future. The Ministry of Railways, under the direction of the Indian government, had taken up the dedicated Freight Corridor DFC project. The project involves quadrilateral linking the metropolitan cities of Delhi and Howrah, commonly known as the Golden Quadrilateral, and its two diagonals, Delhi and Howrah, adding up to a total route length of 10,122 kilometers to traversing the entire country. The purpose of the project is to provide a safe and efficient freight transportation system. The first phase of the dedicated freight corridor Indian Railways much-awaited project is ready.
I am Ajit Kumar Mishra. I am General Manager, Project in charge of Mughal Sarai Sonnagar section. At this RFO site, we are launching two girders, one of 76.2 meter span and another one is 45.7 meter span. The total weight of this assembly is over 760 ton. That is very high, and in this, here we are doing the cantilever launching method for avoiding interference with the running traffic. For this important and stressful work of launching of rail flyover girders, I am very grateful to the contractors, Messrs ATPL, MGCPL, JV, the designers, Messrs ASC Infratech, the project management consultant, Messrs Rodic, and the entire DFCCIL team of Mughal Sarai unit, and the DFCCIL senior officers, especially our director Shri Anshuman Sharma and our group general manager Shri Mukesh Jain, whose guidance have helped us in planning and executing this work in flawless and efficient manner.
In the process, slowly winch girder was pulled . For the fast-track implementation, state-of-the-art technology was also used. The entire bridge was painted to provide safety from elements.
We are here at Sonnagar for the launching of RFO, and this is coming under the Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor and under jurisdiction of CPM DDU. This RFO will connect the DFCCIL line to the CIC line of IR for the better traffic movement and avoiding the surface crossing. This is the standard girder of 76.2 meter and 45.7 meter. We are launching it simultaneously with the help of launching nose. Approximately length it is 36 meter, and here we are using automatic winch machines, and here with the help of all the teamwork, all did very good job, and we are able to launch this girder. Thanks, many thanks.
Surender Chugh, Project Director, Sonnagar Project. जो ये प्रोजेक्ट है हमारा, ये DFCCIL का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट है। इसमें हम लोग मैक्सिमम कैंटिलीवर के साथ जो है RDSO स्पैन की लॉन्चिंग कर रहे हैं, जिसमें दोनों RDSO स्पैन हमारे 76 मीटर और 45 मीटर और एक आगे लॉन्चिंग नोज लग के टोटल जो इसकी लेंथ बन जाती है 180 मीटर के अबाउट। 800 टन लॉन्चिंग के लिए हमने जो इसमें अरेंजमेंट दिया है, स्कीडिंग अरेंजमेंट दिया है। इसमें 2 रेल हमारी लगी हुई है, उसके ऊपर स्कीडिंग के लिए हमने PTF और ग्रीस का यूज करके उसको पुल करके इसको फ्रिक्शन फोर्स को कम करते हुए स्मूथली ड्राइव करते हुए आगे जा रहे हैं। और वी आर होपफुल कि यही स्पीड से हम आगे भी सक्सेसफुली इसको कंप्लीट कर लेंगे।
मैं जयशंकर सिंह ATPL MGCPL JB की तरफ से RFO लॉन्चिंग का काम देख रहा हूँ। ये पूरी लॉन्चिंग 3 स्टेज में पूरी होनी है। पहला स्टेज ये P1 से P2 करना है, दूसरे स्टेज P2 से एबटमेंट A2 पे पहुँचने हैं, तीसरे स्टेज में लॉन्चिंग नोज को हमें आगे बढ़ा करके डिसमेंटल करने हैं। उसके बाद इसको हम लोअर करेंगे।
As a part of dedicated freight corridor, we are constructing 48 important bridges. Out of these, one important bridge we are constructing over River Son, which is 3.06 kilometer long, and this bridge is providing a very important connectivity to all the coal fields on the eastern part of India, and it is supplying coal to all the thermal power plants towards northern part of India. I will like to congratulate team of CGM Deen Dayal Upadhyay and Messrs Arvind Techno, who have constructed Son Bridge in a record time.